Greetings and salutations, this has been the Train Kids speaking. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do that explosion trick in Wii Sports. It's during the power throws session. Beware that this only works in the final stage. Just have to put the perfect angle. And throw! Wait for it and... ooh! Voila! The explosion trick is done. And that is how you do the 100 pin strike. Let me do that one. And that's how you do this explosion trick in Wii Sports. See you all in the next gaming video, and this has been the Train Kid signing off.